There are advantages to small ship cruising. The warm and friendly ambience. Those smaller, rarely seen harbours. The convenience of sailing right into port while others must anchor offshore. Less is more in the world of cruising. Considerably more when it's Silversea. Our all-suite accommodations offer an unprecedented choice of personalised luxuries. Ferragamo soaps, feather pillows, firm or soft mattresses that you can customise as you please. There's a personal butler to take care of every detail, and a veranda so you can enjoy one of the most obvious attractions of cruising, the ever-changing views. Then there's Silversea's Italian heritage and European cachet, an international ambience that attracts travellers from around the globe. Worldly company, they gather in the bars and lounges for complimentary cocktails, and the mood is easygoing and relaxed, especially since nobody has to reach for the tab. All-inclusive luxury has been a signature of Silversea since the very beginning. Wandering the decks, it doesn't take long to realise that you're on a very spacious ship. Our space ratios are some of the highest at sea, so there's room for all kinds of activities. An early morning jog warms you up for more eye-opening challenges. Or relax in a lounge chair, hook up with home. Admire the ocean views. In the fitness centre, you can crunch, lift, row, run or spin to your heart's content. Ask a personal trainer to show you the ropes. Take a yoga class outdoors and practice your breathing techniques. Or maybe you would prefer to get your exercise sampling signature wines or shopping in the boutiques. For pleasure in its purest form, try a soul-soothing treatment in the fresh ocean air. Silversea spas offer complete, personalised wellness programs, nutrition lectures and health seminars. The physician on Silver Spirit can even perform anti-aging treatments. And rest assured, our professional therapists are not only highly skilled, they're also highly discreet. It's simple. Smaller gets you closer. That's why experienced travellers clearly prefer the advantages of a smaller ship. And with our highly personalised shore programmes, you can travel at your own pace and explore the things that interest you most. We even offer tailor-made adventures so you can roam where you please. Whether you're cruising around Australia or sailing Arctic waters, a voyage with Silversea can be filled with exciting, enriching, and even life-changing moments. Our expertly crafted itineraries call at over 400 destinations on all 7 continents. Many feature evening departures and overnights in ports, so guests can linger longer, soaking in the local flavour and culture. Silversea's enrichment programs add even more depth and dimension to the wonder of travel. Lectures and seminars by world-renowned experts provide fresh perspectives about the lands you visit. You can learn about the latest discoveries in Luxor from a leading Egyptologist, or about orangutans, the wild men of the jungle, on your way to Borneo. If your tastes tend more toward the palate, we offer Epicurean odysseys with some of the world's leading chefs that immerse you in the regional flavours of your destination. Many sailings feature l'École des Chefs, the first relais and chateau cooking school at sea. But every Silversea voyage is a feast for the senses. There are wine tastings, cooking demonstrations, and culinary tours. A tapas workshop in Barcelona, for example, or a lesson on French pastry in Cannes. Go shopping with the chef for fresh ingredients and then dine on a regional masterpiece that very same night. And now that you've built up an appetite, it's time for dinner. There are at least 4 dining venues on every ship, 6 on the Silver Spirit. So what shall it be? Sushi at Seishin? A savoury relais and chateau cassoulet in the restaurant? La Terrazza with its tantalising pleasures of slow food? Silversea is a proud member of this exciting international movement. The grill by the pool is the hot place to dine. Hot stones are laden with prime cuts or local seafood, which you can prepare as you please. Or you can always dine course by course in the privacy of your suite. And if you would like to invite friends to join you, be our guest. When the sun goes down, our ships overflow with wine and song. Quiet murmurs and excited laughter, and all kinds of entertaining options. In the show lounge, an expectant hush gives way to applause as the curtain rises on a violin virtuoso or colourful musical production. There may be a pianist in the panorama lounge, a sultry chanteuse in Star's supper club, or settle into a comfortable club chair in the connoisseur's corner with its fine cognacs and cigars, a private enclave of old-world civility. And when it's time to retire, soft lights and turn-down covers await. Step out on your veranda to look for falling stars, but don't bother making a wish. Haven't your dreams already come true?